And what I want to share in this video actually is a number of ways that to explore and think about and investigate how you can get property even if you have no money yourself. So many people can't get into property because they don't know how to get their first one, because most people don't have enough money. Think of right now, the average house price in the UK is like over 200,000 quid. So if you wanted to buy a house with 20% deposit because you're getting a mortgage, you're talking like £40,000, and that's a lot of cash for a lot of people. Now, so most people who don't have the right knowledge or tools will just say it can't be done. So you get a lot of hate going, it can't be done. But the reality is they just don't know how. And when you realize and open your mind to start thinking and ask resourceful questions, it's more like, how can I, how do I, and what do I need to do to make it happen? And then when you start taking action and to make a commitment and just to having a decision to do it, then you start realizing there's lots of opportunity out there when you've got the knowledge and the tool. Number one, start working out how you can offer a solution to people who maybe have a property and they own it outright. So what that means is you could actually say to them, look, I can't buy it right now, but why don't we agree a price right now, and in the future I'll buy it and I'm going to rent it from you right now. So it's like a rent to buy. And so that's an opportunity for you to then be able to control a property, live in it like it's your own, using time to save up a deposit and then buy it later. So there's just one option. The second one is you could actually start thinking, how could you add value to somebody else? And let's say they have money and you have time. You buy the property together. So they put the money in, and then you put your time in, the enthusiasm, the knowledge, the training, and then you buy it together, and you haven't put any of your own money in. So that's where the phrase like no money down deals come in, because literally you haven't put in any of your own money, but time for me is a currency too. And I personally think time is as valuable as cash, because you can make more money, but you'll never get your time back. And the third one is just actually telling people that you're looking to buy it, and when you position yourself, you have credibility, you look professional, you're trustworthy. I'm sure you're a nice person who's watching this right now. People in the UK find it hard to talk about cash. They're scared to talk about money. People say, you can't ask me how much money I earn. You can't ask me how much money I've got in the bank. Those kind of questions are hard, difficult questions in the UK. But actually, when you know and start telling people that you're interested in property and you're looking to borrow some money from a private investor, it could be a family, friends, it could be a business associate. They could lend you the money to buy the first one, and then with the right knowledge and tools, buy it discounted so it needs work doing to it. So let's say you buy it for £80,000, it's worth £120,000 done up, 130,000. Let's say you spend 10,000 on the refurb, but you borrowed the money from a private investor. You spend 6 months doing it. You then put onto a mortgage 6 months later. You get your money back, and you give the investor, the person that loaned you cash back, and now you own your house. So there's 3 ways. There's so many more other ways that we show on our boot camps and Property Wealth and Cash Flow course, so do come and meet us, because this stuff does change lives. It's changed lives for our friends, our families, and also our community too, which you're invited to. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do watch the next one, where it shows you how to make sure your credit score is watertight, so you can actually borrow good debt in a good way. Enjoy.